Hi, my name is Nikki. I'm a client service specialist at Pain Free Dental Marketing. We're going to talk about creating a Facebook Ad Manager account. Creating a business ad manager account gives you a convenient dashboard to allow you and any authorized users to view any ads that are running. To get started, you can look up Facebook Manager. Or you can go directly to the site business.facebook.com. If you don't have an existing Facebook business page, you can press Create Account. You'll press Create New Account, and then create a Facebook business page. If you have an existing business page, you'll go ahead and press Login. Then you'll log in with the appropriate information affiliated with the account. Now your account is created. This is what the dashboard will look like. To get started, we want to make sure we fill out the appropriate information. In order to do that, we will need to go to Business Settings. You can click on this gear icon in the top right to go to Business Settings, or click this menu and press Business Settings. You want to make sure that your personal account has admin access. Here, we can see that it already does. If not, you'll press Edit and change your role. Make sure that it's set to Admin. This gives you complete control over the ad account. Now it's time to add any other users who will be using your Facebook ad account. In order to do that, you'll click Add. Then, you will type in the email address associated with their personal Facebook account. Once you type that in, you can assign a business role to them. Employee access allows that person to only work on assigned accounts and tools, but if you would like them to have full control over your business account, they can be granted admin access. Simply flip the switch and it'll give them admin access. Once their email is typed in, you'll press Next and they should receive a notification. Next, you will need to add your billing information. On the left, scroll down and go to Payments. Here, you will add your payment method. Click this button and then fill out the appropriate billing information and press Continue. Now, you want to make sure that your page that you will be running ads for is connected to your Business Manager account. On the left-hand side, under Accounts, press Pages. We can see right here that the business Facebook account is already associated. If not, press Add. You can add a page that you have ownership of, or you can request access to a page. Whenever you press Add a page, all that you do is type in the URL associated with the account, and then press Add Page. If you have an Instagram account associated with your practice that you would also like to run ads on, under Accounts, on the left-hand side, go down to Instagram Accounts. Press the Add button. Press Connect your Instagram account. Log in and connect the account. Now that you have included your payment information, shared access with the appropriate employees, and yourself added your Instagram account and your Facebook page, you should be ready to go. Now that the basics are set up, we're going to go to Add Accounts under the Accounts tab. Press Add and create a new ad account. Make sure that you're in the appropriate time zone with the appropriate currency and create an ad account name. Press Next. Press My Business, then Create. Now you want to add people and set permissions. Flip this switch, as well as Manage Ad Account. Choose yourself and assign. This ad account is now created, and you can see all the people that are assigned to the account. That's it. It's one step down and one step closer to boosting your practice.